OS X keyboard shortcut to switch windows between same application. Possible duplicate. Switch between windows on Mac OS X. OS X Snow Leopard server. For Google Chrome or Terminal, is there any key short to switch different Chrome windows within Chrome? Since CMD plus tab can only switch to different programs. Please advise, thanks.
You can configure the key combination in System Preferences Keyboard Shortcuts, Tab, Keyboard and Text Input, Left List, Move Focus to Next Window in Application, Right List. This works globally for all applications. For Terminal, the windows have a number combination assigned, for example CMD1 for the first window. You can display this shortcut in the window title in Terminal Preferences. Settings, select your active settings, Window, tab. Check Command key. Additionally, the shareware, which provides several different window switchers, like all windows of all applications, etc.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.